This stranger in Germany sent me a proposal for an idea, an invitation that was so good that I couldn't resist saying yes. I gave him my Tesla camper in Canada and boarded a flight all the way across the world for his Tesla camper in Germany. This is part 4 and the final chapter of that story. Watch the previous 3 verses if you haven't already. After visiting Slovenia and Italy, it's time for me to head north, and the first stop is Switzerland. From looking at Google Maps, it appeared that I would be driving through some tunnels, and so I thought. This is going to Switzerland, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. It turned out I'm boarding a car train, and that was pretty cool. Once the car train took me into Switzerland, I headed to Samet for a hike and met 2 strangers from the UK who were also going in the same direction, Anna and Nomi. Would you guys like to share one?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
That's so cool.
We shared some cute moments together as we ascended the mountain before parting ways.
Alright.
That's it.
Bye! Enjoy Matterhorn.
Hopefully we will meet again.
Come to Canada.
Have a safe journey, yeah? Okay.
Stay safe. Make it down.
Unfortunately, the Matterhorn was mostly covered by clouds that day, and the weather condition wasn't ideal for hiking either. It was windy, wet, and cold. Throughout the hike, I would be soaking wet, then my clothes would get dried, only to get soaking wet again. Mother Nature can be very unforgiving, but knowing that I have proper gear if I get into a dicey situation, I wasn't scared. I knew this rain wasn't going to last, and the hike would pay off. And it did. As the rainfall stopped, a group of ibex appeared in my field of view, roaming across the landscape for vegetation. I sat down on the spot to admire their existence. And eventually, they got a little closer. This has again validated my personal belief that beauty in nature can often be found during the most undesirable conditions. And at times, it's even better. As I continued my descent, a rainbow shed light on my path towards the finish line. Nothing beats filling up your stomach with a delicious meal after a hike. But what can you do? It's Switzerland. The next day, I would make my way to Basel and meet Ollie's good friend, Heiko. Heiko?
Hi, Jimmy.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
We had a meal together in the evening as we shared a fascinating conversation on climate. On the 3rd day in Switzerland, Nikki and Greta had invited me for a lunch in Zurich at this super fancy restaurant overlooking the city.
This place has a very nice view. Yeah, that's I mean, we should cut down the trees, but he has a really cool water system. You can shower right from there.
But
We
not
need to have a
inside the
look
car.
after it. Outside.
It exploded.
Nikki and Greta are both very talented musicians, and Nikki is actually a conductor. They are also customer number 19 for the Frobel camper kit. 19.
Yeah. That's for the coffee cooker.
So it doesn't go down.
Yeah, exactly.
the
Because that was a
machine is
bit
too
too hard.
Oh yeah, your stove. I think most stove has a little metal cover that can fold up.
Oh, no, that one
And
doesn't.
then this is where it's bubbling.
Ah, that's okay. I mean, not too bad.
Yeah.
But yeah, we could install maybe like a metal plate or something.
I had a chance to check out the suite system in this beautiful Quicksilver Model Y.
Especially for the Tesla model, and solar lamp, and 2 very cool chairs, small chairs.
Yeah.
Small table, and
Oh, the grill. Nice. So after a quick exploration in Zurich, I continued my way north. Somewhere along the highway, I was making dinner, and Dominic from this truck came up for a conversation and gifted me this multi-tool that I can travel with. Thank you, Dominic. And now I'm in Brussels. After walking around town a little bit, I met up with Julian and Cecil.
And how is it going?
Good to meet you.
Good to meet you too.
And nice to meet you. What's your name again?
Cecil.
Cecil.
Yeah.
Cecil.
Is that your camera?
It
Oh,
is,
nice.
yeah, one of the cameras.
It was really awesome to meet them in person after knowing each other on the internet for a little while.
No, I landed.
It's you.
They gave me a tour of their self-made camping system, which I have a full video on my channel.
That goes with that video?
That's
Oh yeah, sorry, we started already.
Yeah.
It's okay.
But that was good.
After Brussels, I made a stop in Amsterdam where I met Michael.
Michael?
Good to see you.
Good to meet you.
Another German who have recreated the same camping layout as mine, and he just happened to be on a surfing trip in the Netherlands.
Every time I did one step, I watched how you did it to rebuild it, and
Let's go to your car.
yeah, but it's not inside now.
Oh,
Now
you're not using it?
Now I only slept there for one night.
Oh, okay.
So if I sleep in there for like 3-4 nights,
Then you put it
yeah,
on.
I put it inside.
And this is your surfboard?
Yeah, my bodyboards, then I paddle.
Oh, okay.
There's more stuff in there. I have one present for you.
No way.
Yeah.
What?
Munich beer, Bavarian beer.
Wow, thank you. You bought this all the way from Munich?
No, just back home.
After 2 quick stops in Belgium and the Netherlands, I entered Germany for the 3rd time before continuing my way north.
Peter? Yeah. Hey. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
I'll
you.
give you a hug. Yeah, that sounds good. It's nice to see you in person.
Here in Hamburg, I met Peter, who has created his version of the front table, which I have a video of that too.
It's very good.
From there, it's finally time for me to enter Scandinavia. I took a ferry into Denmark, and on the ferry, I happened to park next to a shower. Without any hesitation, I took my towel and jumped in. Oh yeah, that was the first warm shower I had in 20 days. From Copenhagen, I continued my journey north into Sweden. There, I met Andres from the Camp Stream team, who I also met at the Tesla Takeover event just a month ago, like Florin.
Andres, good to see you again. You look a little bit different than last time.
I did? It might be the beard or...
This time, I got to personally try out the Camp Stream 1. We camped together that night, and it was very nice catching up with him.
Yeah, we can share this. Thank you, Michael.
The next morning, I walked around Gothenburg and stumbled upon a tattoo shop that caught my attention. Ever since hiking in the Alps, I have been wanting to capture those vivid experiences with a tattoo. Unfortunately, the right time never presented itself in the Alpine cities, so when I found out this shop, it felt perfectly fitting to get a tattoo of the Alps using Thai bamboo technique in Sweden. This was exactly what I needed.
Thank you, Ted.
From there, I went to the last and final stop of my entire trip, Norway.
Julius! Yo, it's been so fucking long. I'm good, how are you? Yeah. No filming?
Holy shit, that's
Can
nice.
I can show you later.
Yeah, it's my first time in a Tesla.
Yeah? No way, there are so many Teslas here.
Yeah, but I've never been in one. I've been in one drunk in a taxi. Okay, ready to see Norway?
Yeah.
So this is Julius, back in high school in the middle of Missouri. We were once roommates and a very good friend who ran a half marathon with me. It's been 5 years since I last saw this guy, so I was very happy to finally get to see him again.
What's up, Jimmy?
Hey.
How do you like Norway so far?
It's great because you're here.
Aww.
For the next few days, Julius and his family hosted my stay. You're a pretty fast hiker.
Oh yeah.
Like, I'm gonna hike pretty slow.
Really?
Yeah, because I realized that whenever if I'm hiking with someone and I go at their speed, I will usually injure my muscle.
You gotta eat more.
This is where I'm sleeping.
Yeah, with me.
Hell yeah.
And then
Oh, 3 of us will fit.
But,
Whoa.
you can either sleep here or in the. Yeah, I know it looks like shit. But
No, it's fine.
it's not fine.
Nah, you don't need to move anything. I'll just sleep on the couch. This is, wow,
Yeah.
bigger than I need. And if I'm not comfy, just keep your door unlocked. I'll just come in at night, yeah?
Okay, no problem. Feel at home?
Thank you for having me.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's been so long.
Yeah, way too long.
Norwegian cook.
It's cool. You gotta talk English.
I'm Jimmy, you know, and Julius told me about you already.
You know you can shake hands and stuff like that.
No hugs?
Yeah, thanks.
Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I think we're gonna get a really nice dinner tomorrow as well. At my sister's place.
I mentioned to him that I wanted to tackle Trolltunga, a famous hike in Norway. Little did I know, his older sister Sima lives exactly where the hike is.
Thank you. I will. Roses! Yay!
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you for the first time. From my memory, you were so much smaller.
Yeah, I've grown a bit.
I know,
Yeah.
like a lot.
It was about time.
So after his brother Joses gave me a quick tour of Oslo, we all made a trip to Odda.
Hello guys, so right now we're going to Drammen. There's a lot of traffic, as you can see. It sucks major, right? There's still like 5 hours to Odda. And tomorrow we're going to Trolltunga. What do you think, Jimmy?
Thanks for doing my work.
Double espresso shot, what?
One, please. Cheers.
Took us way too long. Yeah, we just ate some kebabs and stuff like that. Really f***ing good. The trip is going on and we're going forward. Yay, let's go. Jimmy just told me that I sound fake. How do I sound fake, Jimmy? I'm just doing like a short vlog, a YouTube video, youtube.com. If you guys have heard about it. See you guys later. So another update, guys. Right now it's 5:56 and I took my shirt off because it was way too hot. See you guys later. Kara?
Hey.
Hello? Yes? Nice to meet you. Nice to finally meet you.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Irina.
It was honestly so lovely meeting Julius' entire family in person, especially since I've seen them over FaceTime in the past.
Let me show you guys the kitchen.
The kitchen.
The most exciting thing.
This is the kitchen.
Oh, this is perfect.
Oh, there's a shower here. Let me show you guys the shower.
Shower as well.
Yeah.
Dusche.
Just gonna get my charger.
Perfekto.
Perfecto.
Ja. Oj, oj, oj.
Mom is so happy.
Look. Blue sky as well. Holy shit.
Maybe it'll be good.
Yeah, I hope so. I think it's gonna be good no matter what.
After finishing the hike, we headed back to Sima's home where we spent the evening mingling over a delicious dinner she prepared for us and had a battle in the game of Yahtzee. The next day, we drove the 6 hours back to Oslo through these stunning landscapes, where Julia's dad prepared another delicious meal for us.
Alvidas.
Alvidas, yes.
Malonu Suzanne Pashente.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
To meet you.
Yeah.
And you are
Yes.
Ovidius.
Ovidius, Ovi, you can call me Ovi.
Ovi.
Yeah, like
Jimmy,
we were talking
come
about
to
it.
it.
Okay.
Make yourself at home, feel at home.
It's like milk.
It's kefir, English.
Sour milk.
Oh,
It's some kind of French ingredient.
homemade thing?
Yes.
Oh.
That's why he's so like.
That's why Dad was sweating. He had to squeeze some cream. Daniela?
Danioko.
Daniela, ja.
Не встигла посіяти.
Hello guys.
For the last and final night in Norway, Julius, Joses, and I went to the Oslo inlet for a cold plunge and sauna session. But before that, Julius spent many hours making us a very traditional Norwegian dish called fårikål.
Oh yeah.
Show a thumbs up.
With fårikål inside our stomach warming our bodies, it was the perfect time for us to jump into the water.
Are you ready?
No.
Come on.
Yo, I'm gonna need some time. If you guys wanna go, you can go. Jeez.
Nice weather.
I need some breathing first.
No.
Woo!
It's awesome, dude.
It's awesome.
Like all great things, the trip has to come to an end. This journey has been nothing but blissful.
Yeah, good man, good guy. Oh, really? Oh, shit.
Just miss you a lot. And wait a little time.
Yeah, just help me kiss him a lot more.
Just actually text us when you, so it doesn't take 5 fucking years.
Before I started posting videos on the internet, never would I have expected that one day I would exchange my car with some random strangers on the opposite side of the world, nor meet all the beautiful people throughout this experience of living out of my car. While this little chapter of my closes, I want to extend this opportunity to you. Over the past month, I've created a private community page on my website. My goal for this is to help you connect with other like-minded individuals, share, chat, and laugh. And maybe you can also find your Oliver and build a lifelong friendship with a stranger behind the screen. You can also find the exact contract Ollie and I used during our car swap for your own reference. It is free, you just need to create an account and everyone is welcome. To Oliver and his family, thank you for trusting me for this wonderful opportunity and for a brand new friendship. And to all of you watching, thank you for sticking with me and I'll see you in the community.